Hey everyone, it's GG. Who doesn't love a good hair transformation? Today we're ditching harsh chemicals and diving into nature's medicine cabinet. We're talking about 5 powerful remedies you can easily find in your pantry or garden. If you're struggling with slow growth, thinning edges, or just want to give your hair some extra love, you're in the right place. Get ready to unlock the secrets to thick, luscious hair, all thanks to the power of nature. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with a remedy that might sound strange: onion juice. Onion juice is like liquid gold for your hair because it's loaded with sulfur. Sulfur is a key ingredient in keratin, which is what our hair is made of. Applying onion juice to your scalp gives your hair follicles a powerful boost. One study found that 74% of people who used onion juice for hair growth saw significant results in just 4 weeks. To make your own onion juice treatment, blend 1 onion, strain the juice, and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out. Do this a couple of times a week. Always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Our next natural hair hero is rosemary oil. Rosemary oil can be just as effective as minoxidil, a popular hair loss treatment, but without the potential side effects. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and promoting growth. To use rosemary oil, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for best results. Number 3, neem oil, the powerful detoxifier for your scalp. Neem oil has been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine for its incredible healing properties. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties that combat dandruff and scalp acne. Neem oil is also a natural insecticide, helping to keep head lice at bay. Mix neem oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying. Apply the mixture to your scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Avoid using neem oil if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Number 4, shea butter, the ultimate moisturizer for dry, curly hair. Shea butter is a rich, creamy butter extracted from the nuts of the shea tree, perfect for dry, curly, or textured hair. It's packed with fatty acids and vitamins that deeply moisturize the hair shaft, preventing breakage and split ends. Apply it directly to your hair, focusing on the ends, or create a DIY hair mask by whipping it with other nourishing ingredients like castor oil. It's also great for those who wear protective styles, keeping hair moisturized and healthy under braids, twists, or weaves. Number 5, orange peel extract, the vitamin C burst for shiny, healthy hair. Orange peels are a treasure trove of vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, crucial for strong, healthy hair. To make your own orange peel extract, infuse dried orange peels in a carrier oil like almond oil for a couple of weeks. Strain the oil and apply it to your scalp and hair as a pre-wash treatment, or add a few drops to your favorite conditioner for an extra boost of shine. So there you have it. 5 incredible natural remedies to transform your hair. Which remedy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Nature's Fix for more natural hair and beauty tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Remember, stay natural, stay nourished. See you in the next one.